The IIAG High School Girls Volleyball League finished its quarterfinal playoffs with 4 teams advancing to the semis. Last night, the Southern High Dolphins visited GW and almost sent the defending champs packing. Starting with action in the first set, the score is 21-18 in GW's favor. 3 Geckos errors and an overpass block followed by a kill puts the Dolphins up by 2. The Dolphins would then commit 3 errors in a row to put the Geckos at point 23 and force them to call a timeout. After the timeout, the teams rallied with the Geckos ending it with an error. 24-all, the Geckos get the advantage behind Javina Pangalinen's kill, and the Dolphins would commit an error to lose the set. The second set was anybody's game. We picked it up with a score of 17-all. The Dolphins would grab a 21-18 lead, but the Dolphins committed 4 errors in a row to put the Geckos up by 1. The Dolphins were able to get a kill in the next play to tie it at 22. After an error each, the score is tied again at 23. The Geckos got an easy point and a block by Evelyn Padayo to claim the second set and advance to the semis. Visit PacificNewsCenter.com for more videos and highlights of volleyball playoff action. For PNC Sports, I'm Jason Camacho.